In this video, I will show you how to download Bluestacks 5, so let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and in the Google search box, go ahead and type download Bluestacks. So once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is come to the first top result, which is bluestacks.com/download. So go ahead and click on this to open up the official website. And the latest version of Bluestacks is Bluestacks 10, but if you want to download the earlier version, this is going to be underneath. As you can see, it says download Bluestacks 5. So you want to click onto this one to make sure you download Bluestacks 5. And once that has downloaded, go ahead and click on it to run the installation setup. So from here, if you want to install it to like an external hard drive or something like that, what you can do is click the customize installation button down here, and you can go ahead and change the installation path. Once that's gone ahead and done, click the blue install now button. And that's all there is to it, so you just need to wait for this to finish downloading and installing, and that's how to download Bluestacks 5. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.